Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about a free course with certification which is being offered by Amazon. Now let us see what is this course about. The course is AWS Builders Online Series, which is being offered by Amazon in also with collaboration with Intel. So this course is for students, working professional or staffs or anyone who is going to be interested in learning Amazon Web Services or cloud. So it is not a prerequisite that you should have knowledge on this. So if you are also zero knowledge on this AWS Amazon Web Service or cloud, you can able to join this. This online series is going to be started by 20th January 2022. So before that you wanted to make the registration of it. So let us see the details of it also. So basically in this series you will be learning step by step practices on this AWS concepts and basics of AWS also, especially because you are not, even if you're not having a knowledge on this AWS, you can learn on this. So you'll be learning the AWS fundamentals also. Even people who already know AWS also can learn many new things on this, and they have been splitted this series as 4 tracks: track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, where track 1 is like building new applications, and track 2 is AWS fundamentals, and track 3 is like launch remote work and live streams on AWS, and track 4 on run Windows and SAP workloads on AWS. Now even let us see what all the things that we'll be learning on this track 1 on to track 4 also. And before that you can see that we are here in this online series. You will be learning in this live sessions, and also you'll see technical demos, and you can also ask questions and clear your queries to the AWS experts, and also you'll be getting a certificate of attendance, and all these are free of cost. There is no any charges in it. So anyone who is willing to learn can able to join here, and there is no restrictions on it. On even if your other background non-computer science students also can able to join this. And regarding the timings, you can see the session timing is like timing 1 is like 5:30 a.m, timing 2 is 10 a.m, timing 3 is 2:30 p.m. so in this Indian timings you can just learn this one. And regarding the details of what all the things that is available in the tracks, you can see here. So basically in the track 1 you can see build new application, where you can see cloud security fundamentals, getting started with serverless applications, getting started with containers on AWS, choosing right modern deployment strategy, increase availability of AWS observability solutions, and these all things that is available in track 1 and track 2 and track 3 and track 4 till you can see the track 4 cost optimization on AWS journey. So till that you can see, and the finally you can see the recap of all these things, and this all the detailed session that is available on all these tracks. And now let us see how we can able to register it. And here you can see register now option, just click it. So it will be navigated to this page where you need to enter your details. So let me enter the details. First thing is like I have entered my contact information: name, last name, country, state, city, postal code, phone number, and here you can enter your details about. So let me, if you are not a business people, you can just select personal and you can enter the details. As I'm a business, I'll let me update as a business here. So after entering your interest, you can enter the details of job title, job role, company name, industry, company type, company size, level of AWS usage and use case of it. And you can just if you wanted to receive regarding information regarding this AWS free digital training, you can do that also. Just if you click that, you can see what all the trainings that is available. It will be very useful for this for you. So here you can see with the various courses are available here on AWS training, where you can learn AWS at free of cost. You can select here the role and skill level. Accordingly the courses will be recommended to you. So if you wanted to get information on this, you can just select this receive information checkbox here, and now you can just set your password here, with your email ID and the thing, and then you can register it. So after entering your email ID and password, just select this I would like to Amazon Web Service to share latest information about the service lettering by email or phone number. If you want it, you can select it, or if you don't need, you can just uncheck it, and you can select this I'm not a robot option and then click register button. And here you can see the registration is complete information, and here you can see we can join us on 20th January, and we can learn the tracks one by one here. And this is all about this AWS Amazon Web Service Builders online series, and kindly make use of this free course and free certification, because they are offering free certification even if you are attending this series, so which will be very useful for you, and you can learn more about this on this AWS course, where you will be exploring new things on this cloud and Amazon Web Service concepts. And now we have received an email from this AWS events that you are confirmed, and you can see the registration is complete. And here you can see if you wanted to add it in your calendar, you can add it. So they are giving in different languages: English, Indonesia, Thai and Vietnam. So we can just select this and you can add it in your calendar, so it will be getting reminded and you can make use of it. And this is all about the Amazon Web Service learning series, and thank you for watching.